Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the Technology Catalogue Tool, which is a key part of Stage 5 in the Regio1st Planning Framework. The Technology Catalogue Tool provides a comprehensive list of technologies and measures, along with their impacts and costs, to support regional energy planners in carrying out cost-benefit analysis. Let's start with the supply-side technologies. This section of the Excel tool is primarily based on the Danish Energy Agency's Technology Catalogue, which offers detailed data on various energy installations. It covers categories like electricity and district heating generation, individual heating plants, renewable fuels, carbon capture and storage, energy storage, and so on. For each technology, the catalog provides technical, financial, and environmental parameters with projections for 2020, 2030, and 2050. We have compiled this data into this Excel file for easier access, but for the most up-to-date information, please refer to the Danish Energy Agency's website. Now let's move to demand-side efficiency measures. This part of the Excel tool references several key sources to provide comprehensive data. For instance, the EU reference scenario. This includes technology assumptions for appliances, building renovations, and industry processes, detailing investment costs and efficiency indices. Overall, the technology catalog is designed to be practical and user-friendly. So here are a few tips. First, always use the most recent data available to ensure accuracy in your planning. Second, compare multiple sources to get a comprehensive view of the technology's performance and cost. And finally, regularly update your assumptions and inputs to reflect changes in market conditions, policies, and technological advancements. So thank you for watching this tutorial on the Technology Catalogue tool. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework.